Hey, what's going on, Phong fam? Today we are here up in my room, and I got a lot of boxes behind me, but that I will explain in a bit. As you guys can tell from today's title, we are basically creating this new series that I've always had an idea for and that I've always wanted to pursue. I would love your guys' opinion and feedback from it, so if you guys can comment that below. This is going to be the first episode, and whatever you guys feel like I can add to this would mean a lot. Second, we are currently moving, so that's why I have all these boxes behind me. So I'm just trying to get myself packed up, get this all out of the way. Once I finish with all this and move over to my new place, things will be a lot smoother. So if I'm a little delayed here on content, that's the reason why, guys. I just want to be transparent and let you guys know that. But the grind is going to be even stronger the moment I move. There's going to be a lot to basically play on and a lot of new factors, and it's just really exciting. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will see you guys next week, hopefully, if not the week after that. And as always, guys, keep grinding and stay humble. Yeah, that.
It's just full bolt on, that's it.
What year?
2008. It's the first year.
What's the red line for this?
I have 70, like 75, I think it is. But I just shifted 7 anyways, unless I'm like full kill.
Full kill.
Yeah.
Kill shot.
Oh, Maserati. Oh!
Oh, sorry, I said it wrong. Bananas.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it looks the same pretty much.
Monty.
Yeah, it's just the opposite. Yeah, I think you have your turbo in the back, don't you? Yeah, mine's in the front.
Yeah, just some bolt on.
Ah, god damn it. That was fun though.
Can you run like headers and stuff too?
Well, I have a downpipe.
Okay.
It's just a downpipe. There's no headers.
Nice.
So the turbo is straight onto the motor.
Oh, he was mentioning that.
Yeah, it's not like headers. It's just it's built in.
Yeah, I think that design is crazy, dude.
It's a lot more compact.
Yeah.
So you get a lot more room to play with.